Hello there. Today, this is me, Atul from Side Hustler. Today, we are going to discuss about the top 10 free SEO tools that you might use for your SEO projects. I'll start with the first one is Screaming Frog. Screaming Frog is a free crawler. The free version allows you to use up to 500 URLs. And if you buy a license, and you can use the advanced features as well. The second one on the list is Buster, a captcha solver for humans. So here the automatically solves captcha for you. Buster is a browser extension. It's a Google Chrome extension. Another one is View Rendered Source. This plugin lets you to show the rendered source of pages. Okay. Another one is True. True is a fast SERP analyzer, deciphers the Google algorithm for you in just one click. They have tremendous features, and there are free versions and the paid versions as well. Next one is Google Suggested Autocomplete Scraper. If you give the keywords and the suggestions, you get a list of keywords and the autocomplete phrases. Then next one is web.dv. So here you can measure the performance with page speed insights. It's also they also has a trial version and a premium version. Another one is cluster.army. It's also a keyword and long tails keyword, and you can classify long tail keywords and short tail keywords. This is also have a it is also a completely free tools, and it has another tools as well. So keyword clusterizer, long tail generator, find outdated content, find keyword cannibalization. Other tools are URL match, HTTP header reader. Another important tool is keywordsanywhere.com. That is you can measure accurate metrics using this tool. It has a browser add-on, and they also got API setup for enterprise level usage. You get search volume, cost per clicks, competition, trend data, all in a nutshell. Next one is another plugin, the Google Chrome extension called SEO Info, which lets you SEO user issues. When you navigate through certain pages, it shows you the SEO issues with that particular page, and it's also shows the performance data of AMP pages and HTML pages. The last one is SEO on SERPs. This is also a Google Chrome extension, and it lets you SEO information below each SERP result: number of words, headers, structured data, original title, description, and much more. So these are the 10 tools. There are free tools. As an SEO specialist, you can use to perform your daily tasks. Hope you guys all bookmark these pages and watch the video completely. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for another video. Goodbye.